In this video, we're covering the basics of external BGP. We'll set up eBGP peering between our border routers and the ISP, advertising our internal networks, and then verify everything using key BGP show commands. External BGP is the version of BGP used to exchange routing information between different autonomous systems. Anytime your network connects to an ISP, a partner organization, or an external network, eBGP is the protocol that manages the route exchanges. Unlike internal BGP, which stays inside a single autonomous system, eBGP is built for inter-domain routing. It forms neighbor relationships across AS boundaries, uses the AS path attribute to prevent routing loops, and advertises only the networks you intentionally choose to share. Because of this, eBGP controls how traffic enters and leaves your network and plays a major role in how the global internet routes traffic. Understanding how external BGP peers form, how routes are exchanged, and how path selection works gives you the foundation needed to connect your network to external providers in a secure and predictable way. In today's lab, we'll be configuring external BGP on our Branch 1 and Branch 2 routers to form peers with the ISP. We'll walk through how our eBGP peerings form across different autonomous systems and verify that both branch sites can reach each other through the ISP. We'll also test external connectivity to confirm that traffic can reach the internet. You'll notice early on that even though our BGP sessions with the ISP come up successfully, we're initially unable to reach external addresses like Cloudflare or Google DNS. When we check the routing table, we'll see that our border routers do not have the gateway of last resort, meaning they have no default route providing reachability to the external connections beyond the ISP. Without that default route, the routers can only reach local, connected, or learned BGP prefixes. To fix this, we'll configure a floating default static route with an administrative distance of 200, pointing to the ISP's next hop address. Alternatively, we could point the default route to an egress interface. Once the default route is in place, we'll verify that external connectivity works and confirm successful pings to Cloudflare and Google DNS.